Alright. Okay, I am here with the winners of Fashionissimo 2011. Good evening, guys. We have here, of course, John, Hamid, and the winner, Nelson. Congratulations, guys. Okay, first, John, naramdaman mo ba this evening na mananalo ka? Of course, second runner-up, you landed second runner-up. What are your thoughts this evening?
Ang nasa isip ko lang, makakakuha ko ng kahit isang title, pero I didn't expect na magiging first runner-up ako dito sa event na to. And masaya naman ako kahit papano dahil deserving naman yun si Nelson bilang grand winner.
What about Hamid? Of course. How long have you been staying in the Philippines? We'd like to know.
I have been here for 2 years, almost 2 years.
And what do you think about the pageant? Were you happy about your placement?
Actually, I'm happy about it, yeah, and yeah, I'm having a new experience and new friends, and yeah, I'm enjoying it.
And do you think this will pave the way for your modeling career here in the Philippines?
Actually, I already started, and yeah, it's gonna give me more power.
Alright, Nelson, of course, congratulations. Nelson, alam mo kanina, I myself was really touched with your answer. Nelson, you were very honest. Bakit yun yung naisipan mong isagot kanina? Napansin talaga na you were very honest at hindi ka nahihiya.
Tulad po sa ginawa ko dun sa Mosimo, nung una kong sinalihan, pagiging totoong tao lamang sa sarili yung sinagot ko. Kung ano yung nasa puso ko, yun lang po yung sinagot ko. Ayun po.
Kanino mo inaalay yung gabing ito, yung panalo mo?
Para po ito sa mama ko, sa pamilya ko, pati po sa mga sumusuporta sa akin. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mama, papauwiin na kita dito sa Pilipinas. Yun.
Anong balak mong gawin dun sa pera na mapapanalunan mo?
Siguro po, yung sa family ko po, kasi po gustong-gusto ko na po talagang pauwiin si mama dito sa Pilipinas kasi po matanda na po siya pero namamasukan pa rin po siyang katulong sa Singapore.
Ilan taong ka na bang sumasali ng mga pageant, if I may ask?
Pang 2 beses ko lang po ito eh. Una po yung Mosimo. Ayun po.
Ano sa tingin mo yung kaibahan nitong Fashionissimo 2011? Bakit dito ka sumali sunod?
Actually, parang halos pareho lang eh. Pero sinali po ako dito ng agent ko. At marami pong nagsabi na siguro kung hindi ako nanalo dun sa Mosimo na ito ay para daw talaga sa akin. Sabi nila, yun po.
Guys, congratulations. Ipagpatuloy nyo ang magandang gawain. Nelson, congratulations. Keep your feet on the ground. Guys, congratulations and best of luck to your reign. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.